Actually, I'm Dr. P.K. Jha. I'm a neurosurgeon in Noida and East Delhi. I've been operating on brain and spine for the last 25 years after passing from all the Institute of Medical Sciences in Delhi. So I see from many years that diseases are actually diseases of mind. And in many cases, the diagnosis is quite obvious and that we're seen in the CT scan and MRI, the blood test, and it's very easy to give medicine and do surgery for that. But many times patient comes with complaints, but the tests are normal. All the blood tests, CT scan, MRI, particularly in cases of migraine, tension headache, and many other conditions are there, in which medicine just suppresses things. It can alleviate symptom, but cannot cure the disease which is causing the discomfort. So I've been using Healy for myself and my patients, and the results are really surprising. And it's very difficult to believe. If you tell anyone, they will not believe. They might say that there might be some other agenda in there, whatever they are saying. So, being a doctor, I have to be responsible for what I'm saying to others and to my patients. And Healy has really transformed. And because it works on the energy level, it works on the not on the mass, but on the energy. And Einstein said that mass is actually a condensed form of energy. So, if you work on the energy, the mass can be modified. And here the energy is measured and monitored, your aura is scanned, and all these things are quite unbelievable. How one can measure the aura of any person from any distance. So where that this space and time event is not there, how this drum is being monitored, where distance is not mattering. So these things are very people are so much bound in this space and time dimension that they do not believe this. But quantum physics has really changed everything. And I explained them that how does this work? How in real time everything is here and now. There is no there and then. Everything is here and now, happening right now. And quantum field is that where you can measure anyone anywhere. So I've tested this particular thing in myself and in my patients, whom I knew that how is that person. And as I expected, the aura result comes. And I try to increase my aura by certain meditations. And when you focus on that too much, that my aura should increase, it rather decreases. If you strain your mind too much, but you have to be state of effortless flow, and it increases. So I have done seminars in groups, and I measured the group's aura. And after the seminar of peace and meditation, the group aura used to increase. And the emotional analysis and the energy and the thought process going on in any person, they really say that, yes, this is going into my life. So Healy works on that level, and Healy identifies your energy field. And I have treated many patients of migraine, maybe 3 or 4 patients, they are cured. Cured means their pain is completely gone after consistent pain for last many years in one session. And they are now encouraged to take Healy in their personal practical use. And knee pain, the back pain, neck pain, all these things, chronic pains are relieved slowly. And in one particular patient in whom I remember, even was not believable to me that I had took Healy in December last, and in January, in hospital, one patient was admitted for depression, and he was history of depression, and he was not taking any food. He was not speaking for last 10 days, and some doctors told me, "Sir, please see this patient," and he was not taking any medicine because he was not able to swallow them in water. And just by one session of gold cycle and one salt analysis, and healing, he began to speak the next day, and he was taking water and the medicine. He was discharged in next 2-3 days. So that is the miracle is happening. And I just earnestly request the doctors community also to incorporate Healy in their practice, particularly for cases where there is no identifiable symptom, diseases, or the tests are normal, and the patients are suffering. We just give analgesics, antibiotics, or some vitamins or calcium in such cases. We don't have anything else to give them. And we must measure the energy field. We must use this Healy. And we also should collect the database from various patients to further validate the findings of this particular treatment. And the holistic healing is that when you cure the body, but you should also cure the body, mind, and soul in a holistic way. And that's what my request to all the doctors and all the hospitals should have this device in their this thing, and they should use such cases and then help the humanity. For this, Marcus Mike has done so much to give this to the humanity, and it is responsibility on us to take this device further for the every person on this planet. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity, and I will continue to use this for my patients and tell about this device to other also. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Jha. Oh my God, it's our honor and it's truly a blessing to hear a doctor coming and literally talking about how powerful the frequency therapy is. A senior most neurosurgeon from Noida, having multiple branches of his clinic. His main clinic is in Noida, and his only mission is actually to help people coming out of the pain. I wish every doctor could hear this testimony of yours. Every clinic, every hospital, what you told in your testimony, I literally wish, and this is a prayer out in the world today, that one day Healy would be there in every doctor's hand, every clinic, and every hospital. And maybe you are the one, Dr. Jha, who initiated it. Thank you so much for having that dare, the courage to coming and sharing here. And that shows that how beautiful heart you carries and the intention with which you work. And that's the true intention. Thank you so much, Dr. Jha. And you also wanted to have your patients here to come and share?
I think they were busy in the, they didn't have time to come.
Okay.
They are journalists and they are in TV channels. Maybe they are busy now. So no problem. That's, they are my, one of them is my sister, and she had low BP by 80 by 50. And she has low feeling. And I just asked her, come, her all tests were normal. So I just gave one cycle of gold cycle and one some therapy. She improved the next day and BP became 110 by 70. And it was quite surprising to her. So really, this is helping at energy level, and that is the root cause of everything.
Can you just imagine the BP coming down just by using gold cycle? I mean, even the gold cycle has the power to get your blood pressure.
It didn't come down, but it goes up. It
went up. It was low BP. It went normalized.
Low BP went normal.
So so good, so good, awesome. So Healy knows how to balance it.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you so much for coming and sharing. All the Noida guys, all the Delhi guys, you know where to go in. There is the neurosurgeon head sitting there and helping us to understand how Healy works. So thank you, and thank you to Vanita. A big shout out to Vanita from Chennai and bringing Dr. Jha to us, and all of you guys. Let's bless Dr. Jha coming into our life and sharing, exploring Healy and using Healy, implementing in his life, implementing his patient's life, coming, touching more and more lives into this world today. In 2025, Dr. Jha could actually transform more and more people around with his knowledge of frequency and with his wisdom into the health industry. May his every small desire, his family, his loved one, may attract more and more love, more and more prosperity, more and more money flowing in, the abundance which he needs it into his life with Healy. Thank you so much for being part of Healy. Thank you, Dr. Jha. Okay, so we have Darpan. No,
Pinaji, I would like to have
Varli ma'am.
Dr. Jha is coming live on a news channel. He has been invited on World Autistic Day. Dr. Jha is from AIMS. Am I right, Dr. Jha? You have you said. Can you share about your program?
Well, I was in AIMS 25 years earlier, and I've been practicing this. I've been also in my staff are treating children of autism, ADHD, giving occupational therapy and speech therapy. But on World Autism Day, I'm coming on the news channel and with my team and sharing experiences of this particular therapy and scope of this treatment for children of ADHD autism, because the parents are quite distressed. I see parents getting sick and diseased because of the stress of their child's future. And this really has a future because whatever you do in the body and mind, if the problem is at the energy level, you cannot treat by the conventional method of forcing children some exercises, asking them to speak up, because there is some break being applied. The whole energy has to be understood. And there are testimonials in this channel from you that many children of ADHD and autism are getting healed and cured within 6 months. So that I wanted to present in that there, so that people should know that there are coming up new methods for healing such children who are increasing in severity, and as the population grows, the number of patients, children with these disorders are increasing. So he has shown the way, and that is what I'm wanted to present in this World Autism Day on 2nd. And the final program will be told to you and how it is happening.
Thank you, Vikas ji, for sharing this news with us. And Dr. Jha, please share the channel and the link. We will also be participating, and maybe one of our team member would also participate with Dr. Jha. It's an World Autistic Day, and if any parents who wants to participate with Dr. Jha, you are more than welcome to share your frequency experience on the child using healing, frequency healing.